प्रोग्रामिंग फॉर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग विद सी। ओके गाइस, ये एक सब्जेक्ट आप फर्स्ट ईयर में फॉर कॉमन ब्रांच मीन सभी स्टूडेंट ये एक सब्जेक्ट पढ़ते हैं सी लैंग्वेज का। ओके, सी फंडामेंटल्स, सी प्रोग्रामिंग बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज दिस इज़ योर बेसिक लैंग्वेज। फर्स्टली जब आप स्टार्ट करते हैं लैंग्वेज सीखना तो आप स्टार्ट करते हैं सी लैंग्वेज से। ओके, एंड आई थिंक इट्स टाइम अगर फाइनल ईयर वाले स्टूडेंट से भी ज़्यादातर पूछा जाए कि आपको किस लैंग्वेज में प्रोग्रामिंग करना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है तो मोस्टली बच्चे बोलते हैं कि हमें सी लैंग्वेज ज़्यादा हमारे लिए प्रिफर है। ओके, एंड आप इंटरव्यू पेपर्स उठाकर देखिए, वहाँ पर आपसे जो मोस्टली क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, जो लेटेस्ट जो टॉप कंपनीज है TCS, विप्रो एंड मेनी मोर अदर, सभी में सी से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, सी से कोडिंग आती है। ओके, सी से मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर आते हैं, वन वर्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर आते हैं। इट मीन्स सी इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लैंग्वेज फॉर यू ऑल। ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स बिगिन द सेशन एंड आई होप आपको पता है सेशन कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए। प्लीज़ बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ सेशन के लास्ट तक। ओके, लेट्स बिगिन। बेसिक लेवल से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे यहाँ पर एंड धीरे धीरे प्रोग्रामिंग पर मूव करेंगे। ओके, बिकॉज सी का बेस आपको पता होगा, उसके बाद ही आप प्रोग्रामिंग के सी कोड पर MCQs अटेम्प्ट कर पाएंगे। ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन दिस सेशन इज हु इज फादर ऑफ सी लैंग्वेज? सभी जानते हैं डेनिस रिची। ओके, आई थिंक यहाँ पर मुझे अदर ऑप्शंस रीड करने की नीड नहीं है। राइट आंसर हियर इज ऑप्शन बी, डेनिस रिची. Dennis Ritchie is father of C language. Okay, next question. C language developed at option A, AT&T's Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. Option B, AT&T's Bell Laboratories of USA in 1970. Option C, Sun Microsystem in 1973. Option D, Cambridge University in 1972. Right answer here is option A, AT&T's Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. Okay guys, but आप में से काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स को AT&T मीन्स क्या होता है ये नहीं पता होगा। आपको ये तो याद होगा, AT&T's Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. Okay, means C language developed at AT&T's Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. What stands for AT&T? So AT&T stands for American Telephone and Telecommunications. Okay, so C language developed at American Telephone and Telecommunications Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. Okay, next question. For 16-bit compiler allowable range for integer constant is very simple, -327,682 plus 32767. Okay, this is the range for integer constant in the C language and in the 16-bit compiler allowable range for integer constants. Okay, next question. C programs are converted into machine language with the help of option A, an editor, option B, a compiler, option C, an operating system, option D, none of the above. Right answer here is option B, a compiler. C programs are converted into machine language with the help of a compiler. Okay, आपका C programs जब आप एज ए इनपुट अपने कीबोर्ड से टाइप करते हैं प्रोग्राम अपने सिस्टम के लिए, तो रन होने के लिए आपका प्रोग्राम पहले कन्वर्ट होता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट होता है, देन उसके बाद आपका प्रोग्राम रन होता है। एंड आपका प्रोग्राम किसकी हेल्प से कन्वर्ट होता है मशीन लैंग्वेज में? तो आपका प्रोग्राम कन्वर्ट होता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंपाइलर। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A C variable cannot start with option A, an alphabet, option B, a number, option C, a special symbol other than underscore, option D, both B and C. Right answer here is option D, means both B and C. A C variable cannot start with a number and not to be start with a special symbol other than underscore. Okay, ओनली अंडरस्कोर एक ऐसा सिंबल है जिसके साथ आप कोई भी वेरिएबल नेम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज डॉलर साइन, एट द रेट साइन, एस्ट्रिक साइन, they all are not allowed for starting a variable name. Okay, so right answer here is option D. And with the help of an alphabet आप अपना easily, and with the help of an alphabet you can start your variable name. Okay, next question. Which of the following is allowed in a C arithmetic instruction? Option A, big bracket. Option B, curly braces. Option C, small bracket. Option D, none of the above. Right answer here is option C, small bracket. Okay, a small bracket is allowed in a C arithmetic instructions. Okay, next question. Which of the following shows the correct hierarchy of arithmetic operations in C? Option A, B, C, D are given here, and right hierarchy of arithmetic operations in C is firstly multiplication, then division, then प्लस साइन एंड देन माइनस. ओके, सो इस तरह से हम इसको मेंशन कर सकते हैं. फर्स्टली दिस, देन डिवाइड साइन, देन प्लस साइन एंड देन सबट्रैक्शन. ओके, दिस इज द hierarchy of arithmetic operation in C. Next question. What is an array? Option A, an array is a collection of variables that are of dissimilar data type. Option B, an array is a collection of variables that are of the same data type. Option C, an array is not a collection of variables that are of the same data types. Option D, none of the above. Right answer here is option B. An array is a collection of variables that are of the same data type and homogeneous data type. Okay. Next question. What is right way to initialization array? Option A, int num in capital bracket 6 is equal to, in curly braces, array numbers means 2, 4, 12, 5, 44 and so on. Option B, int n then curly braces. Option C, int n then curly braces, array index, array size, and option D, int n in small bracket, array size is 6 and is equal to, in the curly braces, your array variables. Okay, right answer is option A. Int num means your array name. This is your array name followed by your array size. Okay, so array size is 6 and हमेशा जब हम array initialize करते हैं तो array size को हम mention करते हैं in the capital bracket. Okay, big bracket. So this is big bracket and in this your array size, and this is 6. Okay, and is equal to, in the curly braces, your array numbers. Next question. An array elements are always stored in blank space memory location. Option A, sequential. Option B, random. Option C, sequential and random. Option D, none of the above. Right answer here is option A. Okay. In the all languages, an array elements are always stored in sequential memory location and in sequential manner. Okay, means आप access कर मीन्स आपने असाइन किया एरे ऑफ साइज 6, तो वहां पर आपका जो एरे इंडेक्सिंग होगी वो 0 से स्टार्ट होगी. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 मीन्स इन ए सीक्वेंस, नॉट टू बी 2 4 6 8. इस टाइप से नहीं होता है कभी भी, हमेशा इन ए सीक्वेंस होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द राइट वे टू एक्सेस वैल्यू ऑफ अ स्ट्रक्चर वेरिएबल बुक? ओके, एंड दिस इज इन कर्ली ब्रेसेस प्राइस कोमा पेज. ओके, इसको हमें एक्सेस करने का क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द राइट वे टू एक्सेस वैल्यू ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर वेरिएबल. आपको स्ट्रक्चर वेरिएबल दिए हैं, बुक एक स्ट्रक्चर है एंड इसके अंदर जो वेरिएबल है वो है प्राइस एंड पेज. ओके, ऑप्शन ए बी सी डी आर गिवन ऑन योर स्क्रीन, जस्ट टेक इट एंड राइट आंसर हियर इज ऑप्शन ए. किस तरह हम एक्सेस करेंगे अपने स्ट्रक्चर से ये वेरिएबल? सो उसके लिए आपको कोड असाइन करना है, यहाँ पर कोड बताना है. सो ऑप्शन ए इज राइट हियर. हम किस तरह एक्सेस करेंगे? एंड राइट वे है प्रिंट एफ. ओके, आउटपुट के लिए print, then percent d 2 times percent d because we have two variables, first one price and second one page. Okay, so किस तरह एक्सेस करेंगे, book dot price comma book dot page. Okay, means your structure name dot your variable name and then comma, इसको सेपरेट करने के लिए then book dot page means your structure name and your second variable name. Okay, next question. p error function used to option A work same as printf function, option B prints the error message specified by the compiler, option C prints the garbage value assigned by the compiler, option D none of the above. Right answer here is option B, prints the error message specified by the compiler. Okay, p error function used to in the C language prints the error message specified by the compiler. Next question. Bitwise operators can operate upon option A double and cats, option B floats and doubles, option C ends and floats, option D ends and cats. Right answer here is option D, ends and cats. Okay, bitwise operators can operate upon integers and characters. Okay, means ends and cats. आप floats variable पर bitwise operator नहीं operate कर सकते. Okay, next question. What is C tokens? This is very important and very simple question. Option A, the smallest individual unit of C program. Option B, the basic element recognized by the compiler. Option C, the largest individual units of program. Option D, A and B both. Right answer here is option D, A and B both. Okay. C tokens is the smallest individual units of C program, and C tokens are the basic element recognized by the compiler. Okay, option B. Next question. What is keyword? Option A. Keywords have some predefined meanings and these meanings can be changed. Option B. Keywords have some unknown meanings and these meanings cannot be changed. Option C. Keywords have some predefined meanings and these meanings cannot be changed. Option D. None of the above. Right answer here is option C. In this C language and other languages, keywords have some predefined meanings and these meanings cannot be changed. Okay. C keyword, for example, for, go to and switch, they all are C keywords and these meanings cannot be changed. Okay guys, and आप किसी भी keyword को as a variable name assign नहीं कर सकते in the C language. Okay, next question. What is constant? Option A. Constants have fixed values that do not change during the execution of a program. Option B. Constants have fixed values that change during the execution of a program. Option C. Constants have unknown value that may be changed during the execution of a program. Option D. None of the above. Right answer here is option A. Constant have constant value. Okay, means constant have fixed value that do not change during the whole execution of a program. Okay, constant की value जो आपने अपने program में assigning के time assign कर दी वही रहेगी, उसको वो change नहीं करेगा. Okay, just उस value को use करेगा during the execution. Okay, next question. Which is the right way to declare constant in C language? Option A. Int constant, then where variable name means is equal to 10. Option B and C also given here, and option D, B and C both. Right answer here is option D, B and C. Okay. Option A, this method is wrong, and option B. Firstly, आप integer means आपका variable type जो है उसे define करेंगे, then आप const एक कीवर्ड यूज करेंगे const const, then where means इस जगह आप ABCD कुछ भी ले सकते हैं अपने अकॉर्डिंग, your variable name and is equal to value of your constant. Okay, and this is 10. This method is right and correct. This method is correct and option C. Firstly आप define करेंगे const कीवर्ड const, then integer, your type of constant, and name of your integer variable means var, where for example is equal to 10. Okay, so this method is also correct. So right answer here is option D. B and C both are correct. Next question. Which operators are known as ternary operator? Option A. Double column, comma, question mark. Option B. Question mark, comma, single colon. Option C. Question mark, comma, double semicolon. Option D. None of the above. Right answer here is option B. Okay. Question mark and single colon. Okay. Are known as ternary operator in the C language. Okay. Next question. In switch statement, each case instance value must be blank space. Option A constant, option B variable, option C a special symbol, option D none of the above. Right answer here is option A constant. Okay. In switch statement, each case instance value must be constant. Okay. आप उसको ड्यूरिंग एग्जीक्यूशन चेंज नहीं कर सकते. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the work of break keyword? Option A. Half execution of program. Option B. Restart execution of program. Option C. Exit from loop or switch statement. Option D. None of the above. Right answer here is option C. Exit from loop or switch statement. Okay. The work of break keyword is exit from loop, any loop or switch statement. Okay. जहां हमें अपने सी प्रोग्राम में 2 to 3 लूप पर एग्जीक्यूशन करना होता है, काम करना होता है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, विद इन द लूप के साथ साथ बीच में एक ब्रेक कीवर्ड यूज करते हैं. उसके थ्रू आपका एक लूप एग्जिट हो जाता है एंड आपका जो नेक्स्ट ब्लॉक एग्जीक्यूट होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. ओके, मींस नेक्स्ट लूप आपका एग्जीक्यूट होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. ओके. Next question. What is function? Option A. Function is a block of statements that perform some specific task. Option B. Function is the fundamental modular unit. A function is usually designed to perform a specific task. Option C. Function is a block of code that performs a specific task. It has a name and it reusable. Option D. All of the above. Right answer here is option D, all of the above. Okay. So function is a block of statements that perform some specific task is correct regarding function, and function is the fundamental modular unit. A function is usually designed to perform a specific task. This is also correct regarding function, and function is a block of code that perform a specific task. It has a name and it's reusable. Okay, मीन्स फंक्शन में आप जो भी वैल्यूज, जो भी टास्क परफॉर्म करते हैं, आप उसको कंप्लीट प्रोग्राम में एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं. Okay, so this statement is also correct regarding functions. Right answer here is option D, all of the above. Next question. Which one of the following sentence is true? Option A. The body of a while loop is executed at least once. Option B. The body of a do-while loop is executed at least once. Option C. The body of a do-while loop is executed 0 or more times. Option D. A for loop can never be in place of a while loop. Right answer here is option B. The body of a do-while loop is executed at least once. If your condition is false, either if your condition is true. Okay, मीन्स जब आप डू वाइल लूप एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं किसी भी प्रोग्राम में, तो सपोज आपका कंडीशन रॉन्ग ही है जो आपने वाइल लूप में दिया है, डू वाइल लूप में दिया है, उसके बावजूद भी आपका लूप एक बार एटलीस्ट वंस, ओके, जरूर एग्जीक्यूट होगा. ओके, सो दिस इज ट्रू रिगार्डिंग लूप्स. The body of a do-while loop is executed at least once. Next question. A binary tree with 27 nodes has blank space null branches. Option A 54, option B 27, option D 26, option D none of the above. Right answer here is option A 54. Okay. A binary tree with 27 nodes has 54 null branches. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following is not a linear data structure? Option A array, option B binary tree, option C queue, option D stack. Right answer here is option B binary tree. Okay, because array, queue, stack, they all are linear data type, linear data structure. Okay, and but binary tree is a non-linear type data structure. So right answer here is option B. Binary tree is not a linear data structure. Next question. Recursive functions are executed in a option A first in first out order, option B load balancing, option C parallel fashion, option D last in first out order. Right answer here is option D. Recursive functions are executed in a last in first out order. Okay, आप इसे LIFO order करके learn कर सकते हैं. Okay, recursive functions are executed in a last in first out order. Next question. Q is a blank space list. Option A LIFO, option B LILO, option C FILO, option D FIFO. Okay, don't be confused in this abbreviations. Right answer here is option D. Q is a first in first out list. Okay, so right answer here is option D. Next question. To represent hierarchical relationship between elements, which data structure is suitable? Option A priority, option B tree, option D DQ, option D all of the above. Right answer is option B tree. To represent hierarchical relationship between elements, tree data structure is suitable. Okay, next question. Which of the following data structure is linear data type? Okay, option A is strings, option B queue, option C list, option D all of the above. Right answer here is option D, all of the above. Okay, string, queues, list, they all are data structure or linear data type. Okay, next question. The statement printf in the bracket %c, 100 will print. Option A print 100, option B print garbage, option C print ASCII equivalent of 100, option D none of the above. Okay guys, focus on this code. यहाँ पर आपने %d असाइन नहीं किया है, यहाँ पर आपने %c असाइन किया है. एंड %c जहां आप प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट में असाइन करते हैं, देन वैल्यू असाइन करते हैं, तो वहां पर आपका स्टेटमेंट प्रिंट करता है ASCII इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ योर पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू. मीन्स यहाँ पर आपने 100 दिया है, तो आपका जो स्टेटमेंट प्रिंट करेगा वो प्रिंट करेगा प्रिंट्स ASCII इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ 100. मीन्स प्रिंट ASCII वैल्यू इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ 100. Okay, next question. The blank space memory allocation function modifies the previous allocated space. Option A calloc, memory allocation function modifies the previous allocated space. Option A calloc, option B free, option C malloc, option D realloc. Right answer here is option D realloc. Okay, the realloc memory allocation function modifies the previous allocated space. Okay, next question. Number of binary trees formed with 5 nodes are option A 30, option B 36, option C 108, option D 42. Right answer here is option D 42. Okay, number of binary trees formed with 5 nodes are 42. Okay, next question. The C languages, option A context-free language, option B context-sensitive language, option C regular language, option D none of the above. Right answer is option A context-free language. Okay, focus on this question. C language is a context-free language. Okay, next question. The worst case time complexity of ABL tree is better in comparison to binary search tree for option A, search and insert operation, option B, search and delete operation, option C, insert and delete operations, option D, search, insert and delete operation. Right answer here is option D. The worst case time complexity of ABL tree is better in comparison to binary search tree for searching, for inserting and for deleting operations. Right answer here is option D. Search, insert and delete operations. Okay, next question. In which tree for every node the height of its left subtree and right subtree differ almost by 1? Option A, binary search tree. Option B, ABL tree. Option C, threaded binary tree. Option D, completed binary tree. Right answer here is option B, ABL tree. Okay. In ABL tree, for every node, the height of its left subtree and right subtree differ almost by 1. Okay. This is very important question for your all competitive examination. Next question. C is blank space language. Option A, low level. Option B, high level. Option C, assembly level. Option D, machine level. Right answer here is option A, low level. Okay. C is a low level language. Next question. The default parameter passing mechanism is called as option A, call by value. Option B, call by reference. Option C, call by address. Option D, call by name. Okay, right answer here is option A, call by value. Okay, the default parameter passing mechanism is called as call by value. Next question. What is DQ? Option A, elements can be added from front. Option B, elements can be added to or removed from either the front or rear. Option C, elements can be added from rear. Option D, none of the above. Right answer here is option B. In the DQ, elements can be added to or removed from either the front or either the rear. Okay. So right answer here is option B. Next question. In which linked list last node address is null? Option A, doubly linked list. Option B, circular list. Option C, singly linked list. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option C. In singly linked list, last node address is full. Okay. Next question. Which is the correct syntax to declare constant pointer? Okay. Option A, int, then pointer const, then const ptr. Option B, star int constant const ptr. Option C, const int star const ptr. Right answer here is option D, A and C both. Means first method option A, int, then pointer means star pointer sign const. Okay, means int star, this is const, means your constant keyword, then your constant ptr means constant pointer name. Okay, this method is correct syntax to declare constant pointer. And C also means firstly your const keyword, then int your pointer type, and then star means pointer sign, then const ptr. Okay, this is also right. But option B, इंटीजर मीन्स आपके डेटा टाइप के साथ पॉइंटर ऐड किया गया है यहाँ, दिस इज रॉन्ग. ओके, सो राइट ऑप्शन हियर इज ऑप्शन ए एंड सी. ओके गाइज, आई होप आज का लेक्चर आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगा. If you like the video, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video and please share this video with your friends. Wish you very all the best for your examination. Thank you.